Hi, this is TMP press, and just now we change both heating controller made by Automation Direct. It's a Solo 9696. This is the top platinum, this is the bottom platinum, and both reach the temperature is off because this is output. One should be light should be on. So I'm going to put this one a little bit higher. $160. The light is on, its temperature is going to rise. Let me show the ampere. This is for bottom platen, 52 amp. Okay, this reached the temperature, output is off. The bottom platinum temperature going fast up because this is on a spacer, sitting on a spacer. So its temperature going fast up, but not on the top because top there is no insulation. Is all heat is going in a crown. Okay, now I'm going to check this bottom one, 92. I will change the differential here. The one I will put 0 differential. So say I will change this one to 90. 94 right there. The output one is on. Okay, it's turned off automatically. I will go one more time, little higher. I put it on 96. And this time I'm going to show you the ampere for the top platen. It's come to 42.9. Right there. Okay, it's turned off.